quick guide to the most common books in nonfiction. Memoirs and autobiographies are based on someone's life. Memoirs might cover a short period from someone's life, while an autobiography covers their whole life. Biographies are also based on someone's life, but it's usually written by a different person. Self-help books guide people through emotional growth, whether it's financial, lifestyle-based, or emotional. History books tell the stories of real events and real people from the past. True crime books are accounts of real crimes that have occurred in the past. Travel books takes readers to new places. It could be a guide, a cultural commentary, or even a personal story. Humor books are written to make people laugh. They could be personal essays or just funny takes on life. Food and drink books are more than just recipe books. They include culinary memoirs and cooking guides. Art and photography books are visually focused books written by artists and photographers showcasing some beautiful images. Essay collections feature short and thoughtful pieces on a theme. They could be personal, political, or reflective. How-to guides teaches a reader how to do something. It could be anything from gardening to coding. Parenting and family books help families deal with situations related to childcare, relationships, and educational support. Religion and spirituality books are based on belief systems, personal faith, and spirituality practices. Science and technology books often break down complex scientific topics in a simple way. They could be technical or they could also be more accessible. Humanities and social sciences books deal with topics related to philosophy, language, and culture. Children's non-fiction books are factual books for children. They make learning fun and interesting. So this was the ultimate guide of all non-fiction book genres. What is your favorite kind of non-fiction to read? Tell us in the comments. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!